Hey, I'm all in on AI, especially for cartoon renderings. I mean, just look at this spot-on representation of my wife and me. Okay, so maybe it doesn't have cartooning down quite yet, but can it be helpful for new home sales professionals? The answer is yes.
Come on!
And I'll show you how on today's 5-minute sales training, AI for new home sales. Seriously? Who's the guy with the hair? All right, but I am all in on AI. I use it every day. Well, you do as well, but for some of you, it's just working behind the scenes. There are all kinds of easy uses for AI and all kinds of ways to waste your time. It's true, by the way, I recently asked AI to show me a cartoon of a chicken riding a tricycle in a farm while other animals looked on confused. Want to see it? All right, so how can you use this new tool in magical ways to increase your productivity? Let me share with you 3 such ways right now. Now, before I do that, I want to offer a caveat here.
Danger, Will Robinson.
I find that AI is great as a thought starter. I've rarely taken any AI response and just ran with it. AI gets me thinking about concepts, and I can take those concepts and then adapt them into my own language, right? Make sense? All right. 3 applications for salespeople who want to get more out of AI. Application number 1, self-directed marketing. AI is full of ideas for how to build a marketing campaign. Now, you can start this very generically. Just write the prompt, how can I build a marketing campaign for my new home community? And then give AI some details about your home, about your buyer profile, those types of things. But here's the secret. Take what you get from AI and ask it to clarify on some aspect of the answer that you receive. So perhaps AI tells you that you can tap into existing homeowners and ask for referrals. Well, that's great, but you already know that, right?
Duh.
So ask a follow-up question. Give me more specific ideas on how to ask for referrals. And then you can go to a deeper level still based on the next response that you get from your AI answer. Look, don't expect a perfect response. Look for concepts that give you ideas.
Oh, good idea.
All right, application number 2, overcoming objections. Now, I love this one. You can put basically any objection that you've ever heard into AI, and you'll get various responses. Try it out. But here's the thing, be specific. Talk to AI with clear background information. Don't just write, how do I handle a bedroom size objection? Because vague inputs give you vague answers.
Super vague.
But if you were to write, I'm a new home salesperson selling to first-time buyers in the Dallas market. My typical customer is either no kids or very young kids. Our secondary bedrooms average 110 square feet, which is consistent with the market. But the room seems small to the buyers. What are some good ways to handle that objection? That clarity will give you much, much better results. And again, don't stop with the first response that you get from ChatGPT. Ask a deeper question. Tell me more about a specific technique. The more you drill down, the more specific the answers will get, and that's when they become really useful. All right, application number 3, use AI when working with foreign buyers. Now, I love this, love it, love it, love it. Many of you are dealing with buyers who are not native to your country. That's a hard thing to navigate if you're a buyer, but AI can help. Just think about some of the questions you could ask. Tell me about how people buy homes if they grew up in Bangladesh. How do you say hello in Mandarin? What are some interesting cultural insights for people who live in Delhi? What are the most common foods in the Philippines? All of those things are going to give you a deeper education about your customer, about their life, about their experiences. think about the depth of connection that you can now have with a customer because you're showing that you care enough to want to know what their life experience has been like. But you can also use AI as a translator in real time. That's what the Google Translator app is. It's AI. Learn how to use it for those particularly difficult conversations. Now look, I'm sure you have other ideas for how to use AI, so please, please, please do your peers a favor and write them in the comments below. AI is here to stay. Don't get left off on this. It can make a profound difference in the way you do your job. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, you know what to do. Learn more to earn more.